Hello, I'm Elizabeth Joyner, Community Coordinator for NASA's Earth Science Data Systems. Today I'm going to talk to you a bit about making data access easier, NASA data for your stakeholders' health and air quality applications. But a bit about the background first. By the end of fiscal year 2021, NASA's Earth Science Data Systems distributed over 2 billion data products to over 1.7 million users around the world with over 59 petabytes of Earth Science data in our archive. So, with so much data available, why are users still having difficulty finding what they need? Many of those like me who work in the field of scientific data are no stranger to the frequent complaints about NASA Earth data. The common challenges of these include number 1, data discovery, number 2, data selection, number 3, data application. In fact, many users do not even get beyond the first steps in their data inquiry, expressing comments like the ones shown here. Not to mention the struggle that many have with data formatting issues. Understanding why there are more than one version of a data set or their respective trade-offs. The needs of users range from supporting the beginner user to the other end of the spectrum, where addressing the needs of advanced data users can be more nuanced. So, in order to avoid this, I have something exciting to share with you. Help is on the way. Check out our Data Pathfinders to assist you and your stakeholders. Our Data Pathfinders are data product selection guides focused on science disciplines and applications like those of interest to HAQAST stakeholders like you. The Data Pathfinders include health and air quality, GIS data, wildfires, and more. The Data Pathfinders include background information, direct links to the most commonly used datasets and data products from NASA's Earth Science data collections, and applications of data. We also feature links to tools which provide varying ways of visualizing or subsetting the data with the option to save data in different file formats, including using tools such as Panoply and Giovanni, as well as tools from outside organizations and links to citizen science projects and upcoming missions of interest. While these tools are not designed to make anyone an expert data user, they do help to familiarize the stakeholder to NASA resources that can help support their work. We realize that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to data user supports, and these Pathfinders are not perfect. As the HAQAST Tiger teams and others have identified, there's more work left to do to connect to users to the data. Data set selection depends on how data are to be used, and this varies across end users. For example, the needs of a professional researcher from the CDC are very different from those coming from an atmospheric scientist, and those needs are different from a citizen scientist, a university-level student, or modelers and app developers. So in light of this, I'm proud to report that NASA's Earth Science Data Systems is prototyping a solution to address these challenges by creating pathways in the Data Pathfinder. This includes pathways for beginning data users, intermediate ones, and a path for experienced data user. The Health and Air Quality Data Pathfinder will be the first in this suite of Pathfinders to have these tools. So connection is key. If you're interested in learning more about how you can contribute to the Pathways review and development, please reach out to me. I welcome the opportunity to work with and learn from you. Thank you for having me.